Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial on how you can install dafont font into your Pixellab. For you to install dafont font into your Pixellab, you need to download this app at the last app here. It's called Search Archiver on Play Store or Apple Store. So let's dive in. Go to your Chrome browser and click on dafont.com. So which one should we download? Let's download this junk pack. Here, click on the download icon. It's already downloading. Okay. So let's go to our Search Archiver app. So go to your Search Archiver app and go to download, and this is the young spark as the last young spark. Then click on extract, select destination folder, then click on this icon here to save it into your SD card. Then go to font. If you are doing this for the first time, I will advise you to open a folder. As you can see, I've already opened a folder here. Click on that folder, then click on this icon here and it will extract. As you can see, this is our young spark here, OTF. So let's go to our Pixellab and locate it. Okay, let me type it there. Young spark. Click on the OK icon, then go to font and click on my font and click on this icon here. So let's find it. Young spark. This is both of them here. Then click on both of them and click on select. As you can see, the young spark, we have installed dafont font into Pixellab. So as you can see, it's the same one that is in Pixellab, is the same in dafont.com. If you find this video helpful and insightful, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that when I upload interesting video like this, you will be notified. Thanks for watching.